Prismatic powders. Your swatches have arrived. I'm so f***ing pumped for these. We ran into some issues with powder coating and it ended up taking much longer than we thought, and we didn't get to film it, but now we're on to the next step.
So this morning when Lawson was complaining that your brakes are really soft and you're like, it's an old truck, Lawson, you just don't get it.
Yeah.
Every time you push the brake pedal, this nice stream of brake fluid shoots out the bottom of your vehicle.
Is that what that piss is underneath my truck?
Yeah, it looks like dog piss, yeah.
Oh.
That'd be your brake fluid coming out.
Good morning, Junior.
Good morning, Lawson.
Oh, hello.
There's orange hair falling off of this truck.
Here.
That's not mine.
All right, so I heard that they have an update on your brake situation. So the truck's on the lift.
It's about as far as we got before we realized that there's lots of issues. Yeah, so everything's basically either rusted tight or worn to because it's a 25-year-old Wisconsin truck. So we got to replace the whole front end steering basically, right? Like whole front end steering. And then brakes all the way around. There's like cracks in the rotors. See, look at this. That's a good one right there. It's like actually like a mini crater.
Wow.
So we got a bunch of parts on order. It's like $350. I was expecting to have to replace stuff anyway, so I'm not like mad or confused or weirded out about it. Like, obviously I bought this thing. It was what it was, and now things need to get fixed so that it runs right, and especially like putting big wheels and tires on it and stuff. Just being able to brake will be nice. So like, it's fine to upgrade it because it needs it anyways. So yeah. Now what are you removing?
So we have to remove these brackets.
That's where the radius arm was, right? It was like right in there.
So for the radius arm, on the lift radius arm, it gets moved back here because of lift kit stuff.
Because the radius arms in the new kit are longer than the other ones?
Something like that. Alright,
Where do we start?
Jarrod, you want to tell them what it's like owning a 25-year-old vehicle in Wisconsin?
Don't do it. That's it.
So, we talked about the brakes and how the brake line is leaking. So as we're taking everything apart, we're looking at everything a little bit more. It's got, I mean, there's a lot of rot in kind of panels that don't really do a whole lot. We can work around them. The problem number one here is this is a body mount and this is the carpet. So I'd be poking them in the foot right now. So the floor pan is gone on this side, right where the body mount mounts. Now the body mount is literally attached to nothing. There's really nothing there. So, I mean, it's holding it up right now, but you get this thing going down the road, hitting a lot of bumps, I'll say like on a road trip to Daytona, and that's probably gonna fold. The whole truck's gonna go like this, the fender's gonna crunch. It's gonna be a lot of not fun stuff. That is the first issue. The second issue will go to the other side because it's more
I think
apparent.
that's more of an issue than this.
This is more of an issue than that is.
Really?
Yeah, so here, the entire front suspension sits on that. So if this folds out, shocks go up through the fender, whole truck goes like this, hits the tire, and you roll it.
Basically, they both need to be replaced. You can't do one or the other. Half-ass it.
They both need to be done. So we ordered up some new shock towers. Those will be here tomorrow. We'll cut those ones out, bolt the new ones in. Floor pan, we'll take it over to our body shop because we're not doing that ourselves.
Lawson, guess what? My wheels are here. There it is. Cool. So now the Bronco needs a lot more stuff, but the wheels are here. And the lift kit's here and it's powder coated, so yay for framework and bodywork.
What are those?
Adapter bracket things, I don't know the right terminology, to run a new body style bumper on a old truck.
Wow. This actually like has some like
You know, when it's not rusted out, it's
Sub-
actually pretty solid,
some
yeah.
substance to it. Wow. Well, that's exciting.
Yeah, so those are gonna go in today, and then the lift kit's actually gonna start going in, which will be super excited to see, so.
Woo. Junior, another box. Wow.
It's exciting in itself, because I'm not gonna die going down the highway.
I mean, you can't play Flintstones anymore, but
Floor
Wow.
pan.
Wow.
Yay.
It's pretty cool to see shiny parts coming in for this thing. Not gonna lie. Wow.
It's a little different. All right, guys, so there she is. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate all of you for watching, subscribing, all that fun stuff, and keeping up with the build. There may be a volume 2, we're not sure. I know I talked about a lot at the beginning that we didn't do to this thing, so there's definitely more that's coming down the road. I know we're doing a volume 2 on CO2, a volume 2 on the Archon F350, so leave a comment below. Oh my God. So leave a comment below. Let us know what you think should happen in volume 2 of this thing, continuing the build. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.